Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the UCL live player Marco Reus in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. This is the exchange rewards Reus. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the club button and tap this exchange feature. As you can see, there are some options here such as universal, rank player, CONMEBOL, David Beckham, Dia de Muertos that's happening now, and this one, the first one, UCL group stage, and also the first exchange, Marco Reus. You can get this Borussia Dortmund player. He is from Germany. His position is central attacking midfielder with 85 OVR best player. And the trait also work rate medium, work rate and defense medium. He is part of UCL group stage live player. And this is the trait. There is a minor or negative trait here, injury prone. But the other is very useful, like final shoot, a playmaker. He is very useful in manager mode especially. And let's get back. You can get Marco Reus by exchange with 80 OVR midfield, one player, 75 OVR Bundesliga player you can buy or you can get in the market, and also a 70 plus OVR player here. And after that you can get this Marco Reus with 200,000 a coin for exchange this Reus. So fulfill this exchange condition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.